So I bet by now you've seen our videos and you're really curious to try our nail wraps, right? Well, I might have the best news ever. Not only do we have free shipping over $40, but we also have 10% off every sheet that you add to a starter kit on the elligel website. Let me show you. First, head to elligel.com. Top left hand corner, you'll see 3 lines. This is our menu button. You're going to click shop and then starter kit. Scroll a little bit down to where you see create your own kit. This is where you're going to build your own starter kit. First, we need to add our UV lamp to our kit by clicking add. Then next, we're going to choose our nail colors. Make sure you choose each one that you want and only click it once. Then you can head back up the page to see all of your nail designs added. This is where you can swap and choose which ones that you wanted to keep and what you don't want to keep. Then you click add to kit. This will automatically bring you to the checkout where your 10% discount to each sheet is automatically added. We know you're going to love them just as much as we do. Head to elligel.com now and get your 10% discount. Run, don't walk.